Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and about a month ago I put a video out where I was very fortunate enough to drive a Lamborghini Diablo Svr race car. One of 31 ever built, one of 28 used in the race series, and what an absolutely incredible experience. I'm very thankful for the opportunity from the owner. But I did realize that he actually took me out in the car before my drive as a passenger, and he gave it a little bit more beans than I was comfortable in someone else's $1 million car. So I thought I'd make a part 2 to that video, showing you my experience as a passenger in that car, showing you a little bit more of the inside of it. So we'll cut to that. But first, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified anytime we put a video out. All right, so I am gonna get in the Diablo. And, whew. Do you need me to hold on to that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's your window right there. That's all you get. No power steering. First gear's down. Good my way. It's pretty quiet.
Yeah. It's really quiet. The smell of
yeah, you smell the gas. This is like a full race car. First gear down. So this is a 96 Diablo Svr. That's your ventilation. That's the only airflow you get. Right there. That's crazy. This thing is nuts. It's kind of tough to get it in gear, sort of thing?
It is. You got a rev match.
Gotcha, okay.
And
gotcha.
With Diablos, when you get in gear, sometimes you gotta kind of push it to the side a bit. Gotcha. Seconds of big gear, too. I am so appreciative to the owner, very thankful for the opportunity, and yeah, that's it.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.